Hi, welcome to PYT. In this video, we are going to work on some of the sample AD tickets. AD means Active Directory. So here I have some of the open tickets and now I'm going to work on it. So first let me open this ticket. And here they have mentioned like incorrect manager detail. So let me open this and let me work on this ticket. So if I look here on the right side, they have mentioned that hi team in MS Teams, it is showing my manager details incorrect. My email ID is so and so. Update my manager as below. So user has clearly mentioned that the manager details are showing incorrect and user also mentioned the manager. So Zoro Gong is the manager of this user, Andrea Laura. So now let me go to Active Directory and let me check for the manager of this user, Andrew Laura. So let me copy the user details. Let me go to Active Directory. So here let me search for the user Andrew Laura. Now let me open the account. So here I can see that user is a contractor. Let me go to the organization. So you can find the manager details in organization tab. So here I can see that Sarah Rick has been updated as the manager of Andrew Lara, but user has mentioned that her manager is Zora Gong. So now let me copy the Zora Gong email ID. Let me click on change over here. So this is the manager details. Let me click on change and here let me paste the Zora Gong. Check names. So now let me click on OK. Then apply. OK. And now let me close this. Okay, the Active Directory has been closed completely. Let me reopen it again. So now we have been updated the manager of Andrew Lara. So let me reconfirm it. Let me search for the user again. Open the account and let me go back to the organization. So now I can see the manager details are updated as Zara Gong. So as for the user request, we have updated the line manager details. So now we can go ahead and we can close this ticket. So let me click on reply all. Here let me mention it as hi Zara. Hi Zara. Sorry, the username is Andrew, right? So hi Andrew. As requested, we have updated the line manager details. Kindly check after 1 hour because it will take some time to sync with the database. And now let me click on send. So now we can close this ticket. Right now the ticket status is under open, so we can close this because we have updated the user details. Okay, let me go back to the tickets now and let me open the other ticket. So in the other ticket it is mentioned as update my mobile number. Let me open the ticket. So here it has been mentioned as hi team, recently I changed my mobile number, so kindly update it in AD. AD means Active Directory. My email ID is so and so and this is my new number. So let me update the user mobile number in AD now. So let me search for the user account. See, I cannot find it. Let me research again. Okay. So now I can find the user David Chu. So here the user number is mentioned as 4826374901, but user mentioned that recently he updated the number, so he has also mentioned the new number. Let me copy the new number and let me update it in the AD. Apply, then okay. So let me reply to this. Now we have updated the number, right? Let me reply. So let me reconfirm it before closing the ticket. If I open the ticket, I can see the new number 9426. Same, the 9426. Now let me close the ticket. Reply all. So, hi David, as requested, we updated the new mobile number in AD. So before that, let me mention it as like thank you for. We mention it as like thank you for contacting POIT IT support. Hi David, thank you for contacting POIT IT support. As requested, we updated the new mobile number in AD. Let me click on send now. Okay, as requested by user, we have updated the mobile number, right? So let us go ahead and close even this ticket also. Closed. See, now the status has been updated successfully. Let me go back to the remaining tickets. So here in the other ticket, they have asked to change my email ID. Hi team, kindly update my email ID as below. Current email ID is jax.joe. New email ID should be jax.john. So let me update this user email ID. Let me search for this email in Active Directory. Let me close this as we have updated the previous user. Now let me search for the current user. So Jax Joe. Let me remove the dot between. Now let me open this. So here I can see the first name as Jogs and the last name as John. The display name is also Jax John. But here the user mentioned that current email ID is jax.joe. So let me reconfirm the email. Let me go back to the AD and search in the account. So here in the email ID, it is mentioned as Joe. Okay, but when it comes to the user display name, it is Jax John. So it has been updated wrongly. As for the user request, let me update it correctly. We need to update it as jax.john. So let me click on apply and okay. So along with this, we need to make one more change. So for that, let me close this. Here let me click on view, then advanced features. So now let me search for the user. So it is Jax John. Here we need to go to the account and we need to reconfirm it again. So now the Jax John email ID has been updated successfully as for the user request. So let me close this. Let me reply to the user. Hi Jack. Thank you for contacting POIT IT support. As requested, we have updated the email ID. Let me send it to the user. And now as requested by the user, we have updated the email ID, right? So we can go ahead and we can close even this ticket also. So now let me close this ticket. Closed. So the status has been updated successfully. Let's check for the other tickets in the bin. So still we have three more tickets which are open. If I open this ticket, I can see that hi team, add below user to DL network underscore team at POIT courses.onmicrosoft.com. So in this ticket, they are asking to add this user Zora Gong to this particular DL. DL means the distribution. So let me copy this DL details and let me go back to the AD. Now I'm going to search for the DL. So this is the DL where we need to add this user as per the request. So let me copy this user full email ID, and now I'm going to the DL network underscore team. Let me open this, and we are going to add the user in members. Let me add the Zorogong email ID. See, Zorogong has been added to this DL network underscore team. So this is how we will be updating the DL. Okay, so now as requested by the user, I have added this person. So let me reply to this user. Hi, as requested, we have updated the below DL with Zara Gong. DL name, DL email equal to. So we are replying back to the user email stating that as requested by you, we have updated the DL with Zara Gong user, and we are mentioning the DL email also. So now let me click on send. Okay, as we have already worked on this ticket, even we can close this ticket also. Closed. So this has been closed successfully. Now let's go back to the tickets which are open. So we still have three more tickets open. Now let me click on this ticket. So here we can see that hi team update security group GL hyphen VPN connect with below user. So they are asking me to add this user to the particular security group. So let me copy the security group which has been mentioned by the user. Let me go back to the AD and search for the security group. Okay, we have got the group now. So this is the security group. Let me click on members, and we need to add this person to this particular security group as requested by the user. Let me click on add, apply, then okay. So now we have added this user to GL VPN Connect security group. So before closing the ticket, let's reconfirm it again. Let me go back to the AD, open the security group, and check the member of tab. So here under the members, see Sheldon Max has been added successfully. So now we can close the ticket. We need to reply to the email stating that hi, as requested, we have added the user. As requested, we have added the user Sheldon Max to below security group, and at the bottom we need to mention the security group to be on the safer side. So what is the security group that we have been updated? It's GL hyphen VPN connect. Let me click on send, and now we can close this ticket also. because we have updated the security group successfully. Okay, even this ticket has been closed. And now let's check, do we have any other tickets in our bin? We have two more tickets. Let me open this ticket now. So in this ticket, they have mentioned that extend user Sarah Rick till 31 December 2023. So they are asking us to extend the user account of Sarah till 31 December 2023. They have asked us to extend because this user might be a contractor or if not a freelancer. If this user is a permanent user, then obviously the account will be set to never expire. But if this user is either a contractor or a vendor, then it will be mentioned as the end date. So now let me search for this user in AD. So let me only copy the first and last name. Let me remove the dot also. See, I can find the user now. We need to go to the account. So whenever you want to add the account expiry date, always you need to go to the account tab. So here I can see that the end date is mentioned as 31st May 2023. But as per the user request, the account should be extended till 31 December 2023. So let me update the account expiry date. June, July, August, September, October, November, December. December 31st. So we have updated as like 31 December 2023 as per the user request. So let us reply to this email. Hi, thank you for contacting POIT IT support. As for the request, we have extended the user account. So always it's safer to copy the user details, because if we enter it manually, then there will be a chance of making the mistakes. User account Sarah Dadrick till 31 December 2020. Hi, thank you for contacting Pivot IT support. As for the request, we have extended the user account so and so till 31 December 2020. Let me click on send now. So we are responding to the user email, and we have worked on this, right? So even we can close this ticket also. Let me go back to the tickets. See, this is showing till as open. So let me close this ticket now. So I have moved this ticket status to closed. We have one more ticket under open state. Let me open the ticket. And in this ticket, they have mentioned as, hi team, update my secondary name as below. Email sarah.brain. So this is the user email. They have mentioned the old secondary name and the new secondary name which we need to update, and also the new email ID which we need to update. So let me search for this user, Sarah Brain. We need to go to the Active Directory, then search for Sarah Brain, first and last name. Okay, open this, and here what is the request made by user? Update my secondary name as below. So user secondary name was Brain right now, and user is asking to update it as Lincoln. So let's copy this secondary name which was mentioned by user, go back to the AD and update the secondary name, even in the email ID also. So it should be Sarah Lincoln. Let me click on apply and okay. So before closing the ticket, let recheck again whether it has been updated or not. So if I search with Sarah Brain now, still I am getting this user account because just now we made the changes. So it will take some time to sync with the server. And once it has been synced with the server, if you search with Sarah Brain, you would not be get any account until and unless if you search with the Sarah Lincoln. So here we have updated the last name, even the display name also. Along with that, we have updated the user email ID and user ID. So we can close the ticket, and here it will update once the sync has been done successfully. So it will take around like 1 hour to sync with the server. So now let us reply to this email. Hi Sarah, thank you for contacting PYT IT support. As for the request, we have updated the secondary name as below. We call it new display name. Let's copy the user new display name, Sarah Lincoln, and new email ID also, sarah.lincoln at the rate pyt courses.onmicrosoft.com. Let me click on send. So as we have worked on this ticket, we can close this now. And now let's see, do we have any other open tickets? See, all the ticket status are under closed. So this is how you are going to work on the tickets in the real time. Thank you for watching this video, and for more videos, please do subscribe our channel PYT and don't forget to like this video.